how we got here. Hey guys, welcome to Me Travels. So before starting this video, I just want to say that I'll be making this video in English only. There are actually two reasons for that. Reason number one is my assessments are going on and it takes a lot of time to add captions in the video. Reason number two is I just wanted to see the response by changing the language on this video. So let's talk about Solang Valley now. I did Solang Valley the next day of doing Rohtang Pass. I did Manali to Solang on this special totem mountain bike. They are a bit different from regular bicycles as they have some sort of hydraulic brakes, and believe me, they do help a lot. I was doing, believe it or not, I was doing around 60 kmph on this bicycle downhill. Now the question is what you can do in Solang Valley. You can rent a snowmobile. If you don't like snowmobile, no worries, you can do paragliding as well. And also if you don't like paragliding, then you can rent a bicycle or in fact do skiing in winters. I hope you guys like those b-rolls and time lapses. A little side information I would like to give you guys is that if you are renting a bicycle, then timings are 9 a.m. in the morning to 6 p.m. After that you cannot keep the bicycle. Also you'll be need some verification type thing or personal ID. They'll keep it, and once you return the bicycle, then they'll give back to you. So I hope you guys like this video. If you are new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe. I know this video is kind of short. It will be around of 3 minutes, I guess. Yeah, 3 minutes. Next video is coming very soon, guys. So I ordered something for Zayn, my ex-pulse. Something. You guys will see what that is in the next video. Let's try to hit, guys, 55 subscribers by this video. Till then, ride safe and take care.